If you're watching this, you're probably wondering, what is it that I do? And how can you be able to build a 6 to 7 figure business in 6 months with digital and affiliate marketing? Now, for those of you who are new here, my name is Joe. I've been in the online space now for about 15 years now and a half. I've tried different businesses from network marketing to blogging. I've tried different side hustles and remote jobs. Some did really well, some not so well. You name it, I've done it. And honestly, 6 months ago, I was burned out. I wanted to find a new way to make money online, where I could work less and make more, and just wanted to fully be present with my kids. And that's when digital and affiliate marketing fell into my lap. I started scrolling on Instagram one day, and I kept seeing ordinary people claiming that they were making thousands of dollars a day, and only working 1 to 2 hours a day. Now, what's really got me was the working 1 to 2 hours a day. I know what it takes to build a business, and I remember the late hours I put in to make my businesses work. So to hear that you could potentially make this amount of money and only really work 2 to 3 hours a day really caught my attention. So I decided to learn the same way that they did, and I took a digital marketing course with Master Resale Rights that taught me everything A through Z on digital marketing. In this course, I learned everything A through Z on starting my digital and affiliate marketing business, from how to brand myself, how to do affiliate marketing and promote other companies' products, how to create my own digital products, how to do email campaigns, how to set up my systems so I can have a business running on auto-mining, making money while I sleep, just like real what Amazon of Jeff Bezos does. Actually, this course literally set me up, and now I have 7 income streams because of it. Now, the really cool thing about this course and why so many people want it is because not only are you going to learn from it, not only is it going to teach you all these different ways to make money online with digital marketing, but the course itself has Master Resale Rights. So when you purchase the course, you own the rights to it, and you can go and resell it as your own for 100% profit. So for somebody starting in digital marketing, you are starting off your digital marketing journey already with a done-for-you product, the course itself. Now, the point of this course is not to just resell it. You can if you want to, or you can just learn from it in the course. Like I said, it's going to teach you all the different ways to bring revenue. And like I said, it's brought me 7 income streams. And since starting, I've made tens of hundreds of dollars in 6 months. So that's how I'd invest an extra $1,000 a month to live a freedom and passive income lifestyle. The good thing is, it doesn't matter your age, profession, even your experience, or the location and country you are born to. Sometimes people think their degrees are what will set them in life. Sure, some do, but not everyone. With digital and affiliate marketing, the playing field is leveled for everyone. It is all about your willingness to educate yourself, learn more, and help enough people get what they want in life. The famous Zig Ziglar quote, like I have already said, you're the only obstacles that stay in your own way. Get started today. Now, if you want to learn more, you can DM me for more info, or you can click the link on my bio. And you can take the same exact course that I took that taught me everything that I know. Hope to see your life go in the best direction you always dreamed of. The reality starts now.